In this video, I'm going to tell you the secret that has changed my life, that has changed the way of learning, that is really helping me to improve my communication skill right now, and it will really help you too also. So, I know most of the people are already known from the person from the legendary name Bruce Lee. One day Bruce Lee said, I don't afraid from the person who knows 500 moves. Instead, I'm afraid from the person who knows one move but he has practiced 500 times. Do you know why he said? Because practice becomes habit and habits becomes perfection. So once you start practice, it will automatically become your habit, and your habit will make you perfect once you started learning, once you started doing it, once you started speaking, you will definitely speak faster and you will definitely become a fluent English speaker. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 steps that I'm following right now that is really helping me nowadays for me, that is really helping me in building my confidence. So the step first, I'm learning every day 5 words. This is really very easy for you. Each and every person can learn it. So you have to learn just 5 words in your daily life, and you don't need to learn only, even you have to apply in your daily life. Because if you learn more than 5 words, like 10 words, 20 words and 30 words, if you don't use these words in your real life, no use of these words. You will forget it after 1 week, after 1 month. So once you started using these words in your real life, you will never forget it. So what you have to do, you have to learn only 5 words each day. No, not more than it, but you have to apply it. Then step second, you have to speak. If you are going somewhere, you have to speak simple sentences like I'm going, I'm eating, I'm not able to do this work, he is not listening to me. These simple words will really help you in building your confidence. If you really want to speak, you have to speak. If you want to become a fluent English speaker, you have to speak. Don't think you are making mistakes, because mistakes will make you perfect. Until you don't find the mistakes, you will not get a solution. So you have to find the mistakes, okay? Then step third is you have to speak every day for 2 minutes. Whatever you are doing right now, you have to speak on it. You are going, you have to see around of you and you have to speak that. Just take a topic and you have to speak on that topic. Don't think you are making mistakes. Don't be afraid from the mistakes. Just think you have to speak. Just think you have to do it. Insist to yourself, because your mind will say no. It will make you realize, your mind will make you realize you are making mistakes. You don't listen to them. Your mind will make you realize that you are becoming fool in front of others, but you don't listen to that. Your mind will say you right now you should stop because people are looking you, but you don't listen to that. You have to do it. You have to insist your mind. You have to give a command that you will do it. You can do it. Affirmation will really help you to improve your confidence. Affirmation will help you to give you a positive energy. So what is affirmation you have to say? You have to say that I will do it. I can do it. You should see a dream where you want to see yourself. Okay. Now the step fifth is step 4. I'm sorry, I forgot this step. So now it is step 4. And in this step, you have to think in English. Whatever you are doing, you have to think it and in English. Whatever you are looking, you have to see that and try to speak that directly in English. Whatever is coming in your mind, think in English. Even if you are using simple sentences, don't worry. It is okay. It is okay for you. You have to speak. Don't be afraid that you are making a simple sentence, you cannot become fluent English speaker. No, you can become fluent English speaker if you are able to communicate with someone, if you are able to express your point of views in front of others. You will definitely become a fluent English speaker. You don't need to use tough and difficult words in your daily life. You don't need to use a difficult sentence structure. This kind of sentence structure will make you confused. Even others also will not able to understand these kind of sentence structure. So what you should do, you have to use the simple sentences, the simple sentence structure every day. It should be your habit, and it will build your confidence. And you can easily do it if you use simple sentences. Okay? Then the fifth point. The fifth point is consistency. You are following these steps, but if you follow these steps for 1 week, nothing will happen. Nothing will change. You will think, I want to learn. You will follow this process for 1 week. After 2 or 3 months, you will think again, I want to learn English speaking. Then you will follow again, but you are not consistent. You can never learn English speaking. You can never speak in front of others until you are dedicated, you are consistent. So consistency is very important in your each and every point, in your each and every goal that you have decided, that you have done for your future. So if you have learned something from this video, just give me a comment.